Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this type of logo in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Create a new document by going to File and choosing New. Click on Create to create a new document. Then choose Type tool and click anywhere. Type your text. I'm typing T. Increase the size. I am going to give it 200. Okay, and then I am choosing the font name is bold. Okay, I am typing L. Now hold down Alt key and then Shift key and click and hold down Alt key and click and then press Shift key to take a copy. Again hold down Alt key, click and drag and press Shift key to take one more copy. Now choose text tool type tool, double click on L and replace L with M. Sorry, replace M with T and then just choose type tool, double click on L and replace it with M. Now this is the text of our logo. Okay, now align it as per your requirement. I am decreasing the gap. Now choose all, select all, right click and choose create outlines to convert your text into shape. Choose direct selection tool, select the two anchor points of the L, hold down shift key and press one time left arrow key. Again select these two anchor points of the T, hold down shift key and press one time right arrow key. Now I'm selecting again these 2 points of T, hold down shift key and press left arrow key one time. Move this near the L, similarly move this one near the T. Select these 2 points of L, press shift key and then press right upper arrow key multiple times, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 times. Similarly do for this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then choose rectangle tool, hold down shift key and make a rectangle of this uh, this size. Change the color so that we can see clearly. And put it at top of the L and then increase the size until we reach at the hair, until we reach here. Similarly, select the shape, hold on Alt key, press Shift key, and then move it at the right, at the bottom. This and again go to Edit, Use copy, edit, paste in front. We have one more copy of this. Now rotate this one, hold down shift key to rotate it 90 degree and place it here like this. Select these both shapes, choose shape builder tool, hold down alt key and click here to remove the unnecessary part. You can increase according to your choice. Now again hold down alt key, click and paste it here. Take one more copy like this. And select all the shapes. Give them black color like this. If you want, you can do more adjustment, like I am using this more. Choose text, direct selection, action tool, and do this one little bit. And similarly, okay, now our logo is ready. You can see that these are separate shapes. We have to combine them. To combine them with L, select L, then hold down shift key and then select these two shapes. Then go to Windows and choose Pathfinder and click on this Unite button to build the shapes with this L. Now this is one shape. Similarly, select M and other shapes. Select all these shapes and then click on this Unite again to make them one shape. Now select this shape, click here and then go switches and then go to gradients and apply gradient tool like this. Then both of them and then apply. Okay. Let me do. I am okay with gradient, golden gradient and with black. We make them one shape and then apply any gradient. This choose this gradient tool and then you can make adjustments according to your choice. Like this. Now select all. Once you've done, select all, right click and choose group. And I'm increasing the size a little bit. To give presentation, choose rectangle tool and make a shape half of the artboard. Align it with the artboard, center, one more copy, click it to white, right click, send to back, and then this align with the object, align, then click object, select this, and then center. Sorry, we have to hold this one instead of this. Select all both, go to align, choose align to key object, select this, and then align, center, and center. Similarly, right click, choose arrange, and then send to back. Okay, take one more copy of this, convert this into black, and select this and color it with white. Now group all and select this all, go to align, align to key object, click on this to hold, and then align, and then center and center. Okay, press Ctrl 0 to show your actual size. Now, this is our logo. We have made our logo successfully. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you later with a new tutorial. Till then, take care and bye bye.